Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two top-notch cameras in the market, the Sony Alpha 7 IV and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll evaluate these cameras in various categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the image sensor, the Sony Alpha 7 IV boasts a 33MP full-frame Exmor R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 features the class-leading 40.2-megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, providing the ultimate image quality. Both cameras excel in capturing stunning details and delivering outstanding results. When it comes to image processing, the Sony Alpha 7 IV takes the lead with its 8x more powerful next-generation BIONZ XR image processing engine. It ensures quicker image rendering, reduced noise, and improved overall performance. Similarly, the Fujifilm X-T5 features an improved image processing algorithm, resulting in sharp and detailed images even in low-light conditions. In terms of video recording capabilities, the Sony Alpha 7 IV offers up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2:2 quality with full pixel readout in all recording formats. Additionally, it provides 7K oversampling for full-frame 4K 30p 10-bit 4:2:2 videos without any pixel binning. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 delivers powerful image-making performance and supports high-quality video recording as well. When it comes to color expression, the Sony Alpha 7 IV simplifies the process with its S-Cinetone color profile. This enables users to achieve beautiful colors effortlessly, enhancing the overall appeal of their footage. While the Fujifilm X-T5 doesn't have a dedicated color profile, it offers a wide range of customizable color and film simulation options for creative control. And that's a wrap. Both the Sony Alpha 7 IV and the Fujifilm X-T5 are exceptional cameras in their own rights. It ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you gain some valuable insights. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.